inches. So I'm out here in Port Clinton, and we're walleye fishing.
Yep, we just got here today, and these guys just got in, and they got their limit, and that's a pretty nice one there. So we got our camp all set up. We're going to be here for a couple days. We're going to get out in the water nice and early tomorrow. So what do you think?
I'm excited.
You're excited? Think you're going to catch your first one tomorrow?
Yeah.
All right. We'll see you out there. Got that, Captain Jonah? We're just busy, we're getting the lines out. Robbie got the floating balloons out. Start hooking them on. Dan the man. We're gonna start hooking into them. It didn't take long. Robbie said that we were coming up on some fish, and we got a double. The rod's to the right. I'm getting tired. Really? All right. That's a nice one. 20, what was it? Is it good?
Nice fish.
Heck yeah.
My hands hurt.
Now your
Hands
back's
hurt.
gonna hurt.
It's a little early. Lower. Oh yeah, there's fish on there. Oh, porpoise. Oh, that thingy's a little bit nicer. You want that to go?
Sure.
Here, go to that side. Put one leg over the door and one leg on this side. There you go. Coming up, you right? Nice net job, buddy.
Alright guys, we got him on the wall.
Who gets to clean them?
What?
Who gets to clean them? You?
He's cleaning.
He does.
He's gonna show you how.
And yeah. We got 18.
Back at the rest tonight.
12 more for a 5-man limit.
Yep.
Get him done this evening.
Where's that big one at?
25 and a quarter.
25 and a quarter. That's a tank.
Biggest fish of the week so far. Killed 75 already since Monday, and the biggest one.
Cool. Well, let's get these cleaned up.
Alright.
Take a nap and get back out there.
Alright. We're heading back out for the evening. We need 12 more fish. And
5-man limit. So that's 12 more for a 5-man.
yeah.
12 more for a 5-man ticket.
Going for that 30-inch citation, right?
Yeah.
All right, so how far out we going?
I don't know.
We're going about 6 miles. All right, just got the lines out. Danny caught a big catfish on a spoon. Downrigger just went off and Jonah's bringing it in. Good, that's what we're here for. That's number 3. We need 9 more to get everybody get their limit for today.
He keeps his boat at Skipper Bud's.
What you got, Jonah?
Big walleye, I think.
I'll bring them around. How many more we need?
3 now.
4. He ain't in the boat yet.
It's close.
He ain't in the boat
This is
yet.
the tough part here.
All right, now how many we
Now have
need?
4. I mean, now we have to get 3.
Now we need 3 more. Yeah, he's fishing.
3 more.
Last fish of the day. At least we think. Or whole.
I don't know, it looks small.
Yeah. You might not.
Get that rod put down. Why don't you step back a little bit if you can?
Couple sheep's head today.
Left. That's your right, dude.
I know. Since they all he's legal.
Is that it? Is that it? Did we do it?
I think we did it.
Oh, yeah, watch 14 3/4.
Yeah,
Yeah, they gotta be like 15 and a half to keep the shrink in the cooler.
Yeah.
We learned that tournament fishing. You don't keep nothing.
Oh, they will shrink?
Oh yeah, they'll shrink. They'll shrink quarter, half inch.
Oh wow, he's barely hooked.
Yeah, and I don't think it's worth it.
Oh, we don't throw him backward.
We measure them,
We'll
but I
measure 'em.
think he's 14 and a half.
That's, we got to get the ruling.
He used like
Judge.
he used one eyeball.
The judge.
Isn't that what Mike was called?
That's a true walleye. He only got one eye.
Does he?
Yeah.
Oh, he's 16. Holy shit.
16, we did it.
I
Woo!
don't know if we're done. We got to see how many.
This is day 2 of walleye fishing. We got our lines out here. We already got one bite on that rod. And maybe that one. Not right now, but later. Earlier.
We're looking for a 4-man limit today.
Yeah. Hopefully.
So we need 24. Let's go. All right, Jonah's working on number 2 here. It's a little slow this morning. The lake is like glass. One staying down. Yeah, it's a good one. We got a double one here. Jonah's gonna get this one in. And we got one on this rod over here. He's hooked behind the gill. All right, we're gonna pause this and come back for the second fish. All right, we're back, part 2. Second fish. We got 3 in the box or 4 in the box. Want me to stay to the left of this boat? Alright, I'll get that out of the net, Robbie. Got Jonah working on number 11. That's big. Yeah, it is.
Keep on.
Big one?
It is a big one.
Oh yeah. He may be as big as the one that. Right, so we're on. This is second day of second part.
Second part of the day. We're out here. We need 11 more for our 4-man limit. We caught a little bass.
Nothing. Either
Little bass, a sheephead, and a walleye. It was close, so we threw it back. Let's get her done, right?
Yep.
The last day of fishing.
He's a natural.
Yep. Doing a second one here on the Dipsy.
Nice. Other one.
That spoon again.
That perchy spoon.
Watch that fish.
Yeah, it is. Mine, get off.
I think that.
Or whoa, our downrigger just popped too.
I'm gonna try to keep you away from it. You gotta hurry up and get it past there. That's a short fatty.
We got another one on. And this is our last one, right?
If you get them in, we got our limit. Everybody got their limit. It's all on you, Jonah.
Yeah, you're the last one to reel one in. We all got our limits.
It's all on you.
Come on back to your dad a little bit. It's a sheep's head.
No.
No, I'm just kidding.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. We're ending it off with a big 23-inch walleye. And thanks to Bob and Rob for taking us out on their boat and for me to catch these big walleye. And I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and to see more content like this. Bye.